Good morning. It's 3 a.m. I'm meteorologist Michael White in the Fox 10 Storm Tracker Center with an update on Cristobal. We look at the watch warning map and it definitely looks lit up like a Christmas tree with flash flood watches and warnings. Now the flash flood watch, which you see highlighted in green, that does not expire until this evening around 6 o'clock because additional bands of rain could push through today. Now as far as the flash flood warnings, we'll go through each one of these one at a time. The one for southern Mobile County, that one expires at 3:15 a.m. The one for Baldwin County, that one expires at 4:45 in the morning. And then we go farther inland. The one up in North Mobile County, that one also expires at 4:45, and the one inland for Greene and Washington, that expires at 4:45, and then the one up around Monroe and Conecuh County, that one expires later this morning at 7:45. So numerous flash flood warnings are in place right now because of bands of rain that are continuing to push their way from offshore to onshore as a result of Cristobal, but the widespread rain is starting to fade away. You may remember yesterday it was raining almost everywhere and you had heavy bands of rain everywhere. As of right now, the heaviest band of rain is in Escambia Bay, just to the east of Pensacola and tracking north toward Milton and Jay. And you have scattered bands of heavy rain that are moving from south to north. So you'll get breaks in the rain, but you'll still have to deal with additional bands moving from offshore to onshore. I do think the intensity of these will grow today with the daytime heating process. So as of now, we got some spots that are dry and other spots dealing with heavy rain. That'll pretty much be the case all day as Cristobal moves away from us. Now, it is still technically a tropical storm with maximum sustained winds at 40 miles an hour, but likely it will be back to a depression before sunrise this morning, and it is tracking to the north and west at 10 miles an hour. But we're on the east side, so we're getting breezy south winds, muggy, humid air, high moisture content, and that's going to mean more big chances for rain and storms. Severe weather risk zone for today. Most of our area is in the level 1 zone, which means severe weather is possible, but not probable, but you do have the standard risk, the level 2, that does clip parts of Washington, Clark, Greene counties, and even parts of Mobile and George counties. So that does mean that severe weather could pop back in again today, and then things will start to turn calmer later in the week. Cristobal moving to the northwest at 10 miles an hour. The maximum sustained winds are at 40. It should be back to a depression by our next update. It'll certainly be back to a depression by 7 o'clock this morning, and then by 7 o'clock tonight, what's left of Cristobal will be around Little Rock, Arkansas. We'll be left in a muggy, humid air mass to start this week, but better weather comes toward the end of the week. We'll talk a lot more about that.